What's going on, everybody? On Google Chrome and their new rollout of their experimental AI. I got an email from Google a couple months ago on an experimental project that I could join the waiting list. So of course, me being me, I joined the waiting list, and a few weeks ago, actually about a week and a half ago, I got an email saying that I have been invited to join. What it is Google Search Labs. If you see up here, you can see I have a little hourglass, but it's not really an hourglass. Sorry, it's the files they have at the labs. So when you click here to join the waiting list, just go to labs.google.com. Join the waiting list. Wait about a couple weeks, and then you'll have access to this page here. Once you get here, just activate every one of these features. I haven't tried Sheets yet. I've just been trying these two here, the SGE and code tips. SGE is basically, as it says here, find what you're looking for in a faster, easier way with SGE. Search generative experience. Get AI-powered overviews with helpful info and ask follow-ups. So this is basically their version of ChatGPT integrated into their search browser, or like how Bing has released their new search engine. However, I've been using this for the last week. I've played with Bing for a couple months now. Over the last week and a half, I have to say, I thought if Google didn't come out with something like this, I was gonna go over to Bing, because I just love the AI feature. It just makes the searching and looking for answers just that much simpler. But Google, the way that they integrated it is just clean, simple, and I can still use Google Chrome as intended, how I usually use it before. And let me show you what I mean. So this is your normal search engine. This is your normal Google Chrome browser, right? I'm obviously dark screen because it's easier on my eyes. I'm on a computer all day. I like the dark screen. But you're gonna normally use Google as intended. You can search up here or in this normal search browser here. Let's just go ahead and show you what I mean. So you see here how automatically you have your generative AI's experimental notification at the top, and what that is that its own block where it has its AI automatically answering your question here. If you continue to scroll down here, you will notice that you still have Google as it normally was, which redirects you to normal pages based off of your search, which is pretty freaking cool. Now, if you want to continue this, because you see here, I don't have the ability to continue talking or, continue communicating. So you have to come here where it says converse. Once you click that, now it shows up a little like the search engine thing where you would communicate this way. And it's similar to Bing, where I can continue to scroll down and there's my normal search engine, and I can continue to ask follow-up questions or whatever it may be here. If you notice, there is no left-hand window pane where it's gonna save my chats or anything like that, because this isn't ChatGPT. This is your normal search. Search history is saved. You have to go into your Google account in order to change that or disable it, to be able to go and see what your